You probably know this, but if you don't, I'm going to show you how to tie my go-to knot. If I've got a small bait on, I go with a Palomar knot. And this is probably old news for many of you, but what you want to do is you go through the eyelet and then get enough line and go right back through the eyelet the opposite way. Okay? And like this, now you've got a hoop on this side and your tag end, and then you just do an overhand knot with the hoop. You bring that through like this, so you've got, so it looks like this. And then all you want to do, keep enough slack on this tag end side, and then all you want to do is stick your bait through that loop. And when you do that, that locks the knot. And then gently pull down. Don't pull too hard on the main line, because then that will create a curly tail, like a pigtail in your line. And you don't want that. You just cinch that down tight. And like that, you've got 2 lines through the eyelet. Makes it stronger, and it's locked because we stuck the bait through the hoop. Simple, easy knot. If you've got a big bait on, that's not going to be as easy to slide that big bait through that hoop. But when I'm tying just a jig or a swivel or a bare hook or whatever, that's the Palomar knot is the main knot that I go to. And so hope that was helpful. Now let's get to some ice fishing out here. It's a modified ice fishing because we're just working with what we have. I'm gonna put the camera on and go find them.